Welcome to Stock Pro Gist. Please do well to like and subscribe in order to stay up to date. Today we will be talking about NIO stock's current focus ahead of annual shareholder meeting. NIO, NIO, stock investors are watching keenly as an important date approaches. Indeed, on June 25, the Chinese electric vehicle EV producer will host its annual shareholder meeting. This event comes as NIO stock faces a highly uncertain future. Shares have been decreasing steadily for months, and while they have recently regained some momentum, NIO is still lagging behind many other Chinese EV stocks. Now the firm has an opportunity to show investors what it's doing to help usher in a turnaround. But that doesn't mean the current growth will continue unless management can reassure investors that it has big plans for the second half of 2024. News of the shareholder meeting seems to be boosting NIO stock today. As of this morning, shares are up more than 3%. Other than the upcoming meeting, though, NIO has not announced any company-specific news since trading began. Despite this morning's pop, NIO stock also remains below the $5 mark. Indeed, its poor performance of late has caused many institutional investors to lose faith. Data from Whale Wisdom shows that the number of funds holding NIO has decreased by 6.17% since the first quarter of 2024. Percentage of ownership and the number of new positions have also fallen 20.96% and 32.5% respectively. Finally, the put/call ratio has increased over 50% to 1.44, indicating that bearish sentiment is surging. With this in mind, it makes sense for experts to be souring on NIO stock. On tip ranks, shares have 5 buy ratings, 6 holds, and 1 sell rating. The road ahead. Many investors remember when NIO seemed like a likely candidate to make inroads in the Chinese EV market. But with shares down more than 45% year-to-date, OETD, it's hard to be optimistic about this troubled company. NIO stock just isn't giving investors a reason to believe it will start making progress in 2024. Meanwhile, the threat of tariffs from multiple nations continues to cast doubt over many Chinese EV stocks, so NIO's upcoming shareholder meeting is unlikely to do much for shares, unless management announces something significant. That is all we have for you today. Thank you.